Being a Christian trader is truly a fulfilling endeavor, and the reason is because as a Christian, you understand that just as much as Christ is Lord over His church and over salvation, He is also Lord over the markets. We can approach the markets in a way that is epistemologically self-conscious. In other words, we know who the source of all knowledge is, and that without Him, a human can never fully grasp that power that's behind it. And so even though Christian traders can sin too, and they make mistakes that should have otherwise been avoided just like everybody else, we are set up with a unique advantage, and here's why. Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 through 6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy paths." Proverbs 16:3 states, "Commit thy works unto the Lord, and thy thoughts," or plans, "shall be established." Now these verses are comforting, and obviously they're eminently applicable to business, but they also assume that these plans and thoughts and understanding are built upon the basis of true religion. When our Christianity informs our trading, it reminds us that we cannot do anything in and of ourselves. It's all of grace, and of the Lord's grace alone. Endeavors like trading in the markets can quickly establish either a sense of dread or a sense of pride. And this is where the factor of faith in trading comes into play. Our faith in Christ keeps us grounded. It grounds our ability to give Him the glory for our successes, thus killing pride, and to seek His wisdom and guidance when we fail, thus protecting us from the dread and melancholy that can often come with trading. But there's another amazing thing that can make Christian traders different, and that is their confidence in the Lord, because His strength is ever present. Let me give you an example of this straight from the Scriptures, and take a look at the Apostle Paul as he shows us what this confidence can actually look like. In Philippians, in the 4th chapter, we have one of the most famous verses ever memorized by just about all Christians, but the context that comes with it is of note, especially for us as traders approaching the markets and as entrepreneurs approaching business in general. He says in Philippians chapter 4, verse 10, "But I rejoiced in the Lord greatly, that now at the last your care of me hath flourished again, wherewith ye were also careful, but you lacked opportunity. Not that I speak in respect of want, for I have learned in whatsoever state I am therewith to be content. I know both now how to be abased, and I know how to abound. Everywhere and in all things I am instructed both to be full and to be hungry, both to abound and to suffer need. I can do all things through Christ, which strengtheneth me." Now, obviously, verse 13 at the end there is very well known, and when I was growing up, most often I would find it kind of attached to the young Christian athlete getting ready to go to state or something like that, and this was like the hype verse. Now, obviously, it can be used for that, and it can be used in a great number of contexts, because "I can do all things in Christ who strengtheneth me" is a pretty exhaustive statement. But it is important to remember the context in which Paul gave us those words, and it was the context of ministerial funding. In other words, getting money from those that were supporting his ministry, or times where they couldn't give him enough and he had to be abased for a little while. Now, you can apply that to your trading in this sense. It still has to do with funding. It has to do with money. There will be times when you may feel that your trading has slowed down quite a bit and that you're just not meeting the goals that you want. But we can still have confidence in Christ because we can do all things through His strength. That is what sets the Christian trader apart from the rest of the world, is our confidence that we have in Him and that He will sustain us whether we are abased or whether we are abounding. If you want to learn more about how we approach trading from a biblical worldview and a biblical perspective, check out our 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge. Learn more at TRADEway.com.